Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds in Andhra Pradesh. The link which I am highlighting now is also provided in description below. If clicked on it, the official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If clicked on it, the list of language options for this procedure will be available. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. This procedure can either be applied in person, applied through email, or applied through SMS. For applying in person, the applicant has to approach the respective mutual fund office. They have to obtain the application form from the office. They have to fill in the application form with all the necessary details in it. Then they have to make sure to carry all the documents that are mentioned under the required document section of this page. Documents needed for this procedure are Aadhaar card. Once the applicant attaches the photocopies of the needed documents along with the completed application form, they can submit it to the concerned authority at the office. There is no fee for this procedure. If the application is accepted, the process will be done within a week or as per the timeline mentioned by the authorities. For applying through email, the applicant has to approach the respective mutual fund office official website online. Under the contact us option on the website, the applicant must check for the official email address of the mutual fund office. Then they have to compose the email along with the mutual fund number and their Aadhaar number requesting the concerned officer to link the Aadhaar card with the respective mutual funds. The applicant has to attach the scanned virtual copy of their Aadhaar card along with the email and then click on send option. There is no fee for this procedure. After receiving the application, the concerned authority will check the submitted application and document set. If all are in place, the application will be accepted. Then the application will be processed further. All the updates on the application will and the status link will be provided via SMS to the applicant's mobile number or as a reply to the same email. Applying through SMS. For applying through SMS, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office through SMS. They have to type the message in the form of ADRLNK space and the applicant PAN space and the Aadhaar space Y. Send the SMS to +91 921 993399. The officer will check the process and attach the Aadhaar number with the mutual fund. Once the procedure is done, the completion link will be sent to the applicant's mobile number via SMS. There is no fee for this procedure. The entire process can be completed within a few minutes. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.